let's talk about the next product.
Sure.
Another like total winner. Evenly Clear Retinoid with 0.1% Adapalene. Now, we're all familiar with Adapalene, and obviously it's a tried and true, very valued derm ingredient, but I know Neutrogena has their own spin on it. So tell us what makes this retinoid different.
You know, it's like your gold standard acne solution. And that's why no acne line is complete without the Adapalene, right? So the first thing you think about, there's a reason why, it was so successful as an RX to OTC switch, that few years ago, and why it's so readily available. It's the one-stop solution. And the best part is because this line is targeted for adults, it works also with other benefits. You have the exfoliation benefit that comes with Adapalene, which we know can also target post-acne marks as well, right? Exactly. So it's kind of a nice all-in-one solution. If you're thinking about an adult acne patient, they're busy. Like, how many different steps do we realistically think they're going to be able to adhere to? So that's why Adapalene is so important with the exfoliation, where you're getting the acne benefit, you're also getting post-acne. You also have anti-inflammatory benefits from this ingredient, which also helps treat the acne as well. That's right.
Mitigate the PIA.
That's true.
If I can nerd out a little bit about Adapalene,
I'm here for it.
I love this retinoid. It's a third generation retinoid. It is not broken down in the sun, so it is photostable. We think it's safe for pregnant women as well, for example. So I see Adapalene as being kind of the worldwide retinoid that it also has cosmetic benefits. We know that it builds collagen and has anti-pigment benefits. So there's a lot of reasons for this to work really well for many, many people with acne. And even if you just want to plump up those fine lines and wrinkles, you know what I'm saying? Like this is a great
for an adult acne patient.
Perfect.
Absolutely.
All right, I think we've got one more, and this is the Evenly Clear Acne Exfoliant.
That's right.
We've talked about a lot of products that have exfoliating ingredients, but this one's primarily for that person which wants kind of a blend of exfoliating ingredients. And I think it's a really intelligent blend. Do you want to just walk us through what's in there?
Absolutely. So like we've been seeing with this trend, the 0.5% salicylic acid, to make sure we're still getting those baseline acne benefits. But this is where the beauty of PHA comes in. So you have the 2.5% PHA, help respect the barrier. We know it's a mild humectant, moisture binding exfoliator. Now you pair that with the mandelic acid that's in there. Mandelic acid is ideal for oily skin, right? But this whole blend came together to balance the efficacy with the tolerability, right? This was literally our whole theme in mind with this entire line. So we thoughtfully created ingredients at certain levels that will still be efficacious, but not to the point where people won't want to use them just because they're so harsh and irritating to the skin.
Patty, this is a great blend. It's an Aha Baha blend. So we got and Paha. Aha Baha Paha.
Oh, wait a minute. That's
Trademark.
amazing. Yeah, trademark.
So we've got 5% glycolic acid. Okay, so it's your alpha. You got the 0.5% salicylic acid. That's your beta. And then you've got mandelic acid as well, which is kind of in between, isn't it?
Yeah.
Where does it fit in there?
I think it's more of an alpha.
I thought it's an alpha too.
Okay.
I love mandelic acid. I love that
too.
you have it in here.
Yes.
And then you've got your 2.5% polyhydroxy acid.
That's
so,
right.
I mean, this is a great product. My kids love the Alpha Aha Baha pads. They love that.
That's right.
I don't know why, but they love the pads.
Yeah.
But this is great because it involves so much more. I love this product. I think this will do really well for patients.
Absolutely. And especially when they can see those instant results, that just inspires them more to do it again and again, stay compliant, and really see the benefits over time.